So yesterday was obviously a massive day of volatility across the crypto market. Shiba Inu get dealt with a lot of that volatility as well. But yet, despite that, what we are seeing is consistency from SHIB. Green, green, green. In fact, the last time we saw this pattern play out, it led SHIB to do some incredible price surges to the upside. We're also seeing something else pop for SHIB right now that we need to have a discussion about. And does this mean we are about to see massive upside volatility in terms of Shiba Inu? We're going to discuss all that and more in this video. So if you guys are new or haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell again. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So SHIB right now, just for a little bit of context, it's 4:50 a.m. Central Standard Time. SHIB price is 40143. I keep getting all these alerts going off on my watch and my phone. And what we're seeing is SHIB kind of bounce right around my alert level. It's driving me absolutely nuts right now. But we are starting our 6th straight green day for Shiba Inu. Not something we see on the charts very often, but a reason why this continues to take place is, again, conviction from holders. What you're seeing is some speculators step in, but there is actually a lot of excitement surrounding Shiba Inu right now. Now, let's talk about yesterday. First of all, we saw the announcement that Donald Trump was going to be speaking later in the day yesterday about the auto tariffs taking place on April 2nd. And this caused the market to just go into, I think, a little bit of a manipulated day. We actually saw Shiba Inu holding some higher levels than these, but unfortunately, we just got kind of drug around with everything, and nobody knew whether it was going to be a big sell-off event and whether we should expect fear and blah, 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 just the same crap over again. But I said in my ADA video yesterday, it's a manipulation attempt, and it 100% was. And we saw prices rebound. We're seeing a lot of green across the crypto market today, at least at the start of today. We'll see what happens when US money wakes up. This video will come out after that. But what I find very interesting about this is SHIB continues to remain resilient, breaking trend, staying above its long-term trend. Guys, these are great signs. And what I find very interesting about this is this 6th straight day of green. The last time this took place, you have to go all the way back to February of 2024, when SHIB started its 4.5x move over the course of 7 days. Now, am I saying that this is going to be the way things play out again? No, I'm not saying that. Could that be the way that things play out again? Yeah, absolutely. We could be on the start of a bigger, broader rebound across the crypto market. You know, we will go through these these shakeout attempts, these manipulation attempts. They're not surprising. And what they're again trying to do is get that last bit of capitulation. And can we get just a little bit more discounts before the markets decide to send? Because like I talked about yesterday, that retail excitement is beginning to get louder. It is starting to rise. You can see it again from some of those flows of capital that are currently sitting on the sidelines in the space. So this is a great sign for SHIB, right? And like I talked about, the next great place it wants to run to is 4016. That's a next great spot. We actually almost got there on our big wick up yesterday. And we'll see if we can get a little more volatile push to the upside today, and especially over the next 48 hours, like I talked about in my earlier ADA video. And you guys can check that out if you want. But so last time, just for a little bit of context, the last time it took place before that was, excuse me, in November of 2023. And again, SHIB had a very volatile move during that time as well. It actually ran, 44% in totality on that time. So SHIB could be looking for a local breakout here. Now, again, SHIB continues to do this outside of Ethereum. It's doing its own thing. SHIB is kind of slightly decorrelated from what ETH is doing. And that gives me a lot of confidence for when ETH starts making moves. But what I think is very interesting for Shiba Inu is when we look at the meme coins in the crypto market, right now, SHIB actually tops the charts as the most visited meme coin in all of crypto. That is a very big deal because obviously we know Doge has a higher market cap. Pepe has some higher volume than Shiba Inu right now. So what is SHIB doing up here? Well, you have major conviction. SHIB has always had major optics. I don't know if anybody remembers this, but when times were exciting, when the market was popping, Shiba Inu was one of the top 3 most searched assets in the entire world. It was Bitcoin, Ethereum, Shiba Inu. So Shiba Inu continues to show these extreme levels of optics, these extreme levels of resilience. I hope I can kick this congestion, my gosh. But you guys get the point. SHIB has incredible relevance right now. It has incredible optics working in its favor. If we get a market boom right now, like the market just decides to take off and start running, and we start entering our traditional up-only season, SHIB has a real opportunity to take some major legs, likely to set a new all-time high. I'm not guaranteeing that's going to happen right now, but the stars are starting to align. They're starting to work in Shiba Inu's favor, and we'll see if this is something that can continue to carry us to higher prices as we close out this month and hopefully start to get into a booming April. So I appreciate you guys as always. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but have a great day. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.